Welcome, my name is Jacob. Let me show you how to use this Edword feedback suite. You open the Edword side panel from this button, and from here you can access all the tools. The structure is really simple. At the top you have your tools. In the middle section, all the comments that you're actively using right now will show. And from the bottom you can access your library, change between comment sets and so on. The home button takes you to where I am now. The microphone obviously is for audio commenting or voice commenting. The bar chart allows you to insert the report, and from the cog you can access your profile. The little green plus here will return to in a short while, allows you to create new comments and add them to your library of comments. From here you can search and filter all the comments that you have active at the moment, and now just use your keyboard to insert. Let me show you how to create stuff. First of all, library comments. To create a new comment in your library, I want to add a new one to this list. I just click this plus, add my comment here. Here's a new comment. And to save it to my library, click here, name it. I'll call it new comment. And that's it. If you want to categorize it with a color, do it here. I'll make this one red so that it's very visible for us. And now just save. It has now been added to my comment library and can be used going forward. To use a library comment, select text, click the comment in the side panel, and here you go. This is now a Google comment. You have all the functionality you're used to from Google. If you want to modify existing library comments, like the one I just made here, or these, just hover over and you'll see the pencil and the bin appear. The bin obviously allows you to delete it. From the pencil, edit. So here's a new comment, now with more text. Click Save again, and the comment has now been changed. If you want to see the contents of a comment, hover over the colored dot, and you'll see the context, see the entire comment. For now, I'll just delete this one. I hope that makes it clear for you how simple it is to create a comment. Commenting in voice with audio comments is also great. You can do both on the fly here now audio comments, but you can also save them to your library for later reuse. To do an on the fly audio comment, select text, choose the microphone, start recording. It's now recording what I'm saying. When I'm done, click stop. Audio file is generated, click insert, and that has now been put in. Student accesses from a link. If you want to reuse an audio comment, again, record, doing that now, but add a name. And here you go. I now have a comment that I can both save and insert. So ready to go. And you'll find now that in this list is an audio comment ready for reuse later. For the feedback report, it gives you an overview of the comments that have been provided in a text, useful for both you and a student. Below it, I have a text that has already been marked, and I now just want to add this report. So highlight something like this, go to the bar chart, name it, add a sum up comment, I have one here, and put in points or grades. So something like this. And we're good to go. This generates a link. Student accesses that link, as can the teacher or parents. And you'll see it this way. Headline, sum up comment, points, and the distribution of the comments that have been put into this document. One of the things that's really important is how you organize your comment sets. With a fresh install, as you've just received it, you would have received only 3 comments set. A little welcome set with only 1 comment in it, gave you the link that took you to this video. A first comment set also with 1 comment in it, that basically is to get you started, and we've included what we call 15 useful comments, the one I have here. If I want to add more comment sets to this, you can create as many as you want. Just click new comment set and name it. Choose which of the 3 categories you want to put it into. Typically maybe my comment sets, but really you can use them all. And now just click save. A new comment set has no comments in it, has now been added. I'll make that one the active set now, and you'll see that it's empty and I can now start adding comments. Note also that you can use multiple comment sets at the same time, which is really, really useful. And also there is a edit view where you can watch all the contents of a comment set in full screen view. You access that from this pencil. Click the pencil, maximize, and here you see the comments. And over on the side, you can add them to them, change them, modify them. If you want to add new ones from this view, just use the plus from here. It's the same interface, same comments, it's just a view where you have a much better overview. Also from here, from this share arrow, you can share a comment set with colleagues. Put in their email, they will get their copy of it. Not a dynamic sharing. They can make all the changes they want, as can you. It will not you'll not affect each other after you have shared. I think that's more or less it. I hope you find it useful and don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.